Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Maintenance of Horti hubs. What is the key objective of this scheme? To procure and multiply good quality, disease-free and commercially accepted varieties of the identified flowers, and to serve as a demonstration cum training ground for those who intend to earn their livelihood through floriculture. What is the type of assistance service? Training and demonstration, sale of flower planting materials and cut flowers at government's approved rates. What is the pattern of assistance? Sale of flower seedlings, foliage plants, cut flowers at government's approved rates. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers engaged in agriculture, owning agricultural land or lease land. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest Horticulture Development Officer of a CNRD block, Horticulture Circle, District Horticulture Officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on first-come, first-served basis. Whom to contact? District Horticulture Officer, Horticulture Development Officer.